Another example, please write down. Negative reminder concept. Already we took so many hours on reminders. Negative reminder concept. Negative reminder concept. Now if you see here, reminder when 13 is divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Positive reminder is 6. Positive reminder is 6. Negative reminder will be 7 twos are 14. Negative reminder is -1. If you get a negative reminder, add it with the denominator to get the positive reminder. If you get the positive reminder, that itself is the answer. If you get the negative reminder, add it with denominator. Add it with denominator. 23 divided by 5. Positive reminder will be 5 fours are 20. Positive reminder is 3. And the negative reminder will be 5 fives are 25. Negative reminder will be -2. Whenever you get the negative reminder, add it with denominator. Whenever you get the negative reminder, add it with denominator. I am going to use this concept extensively. 15 to 20 minutes. Pay utmost attention to all the problems under this model. Very, very important model. Negative reminder. Now see, first question. Reminder 1. First I will do method 1. Then I will tell you method 2. Method 2 is the conclusion. Method 2 is the conclusion. Method 1 is the traditional method. Method 1 is the traditional method. Now see here. 16 factorial divided by 17. 16 factorial can be written as p minus 1 factorial plus 1 when you divide by p. 17 minus 1 factorial plus 1 when divided by p. P minus 1 factorial divided by p. Remainder is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So the right hand side it will become -1. I hope it is clear, right? P minus 1, or I will p minus 1 factorial plus 1 when divided by p is remainder 0. So this question, what I will do is 17 minus 1 factorial plus 1 minus 1 when you divide by 17. P minus 1 factorial plus 1 minus 1 when divided by p. This is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. Answer for this question is -1. So the positive remainder will be 16. Positive remainder will be 16. Again I am explaining. 17 minus 1 factorial plus 1. Here I will write it neatly. P minus 1 factorial. P minus 1 factorial plus 1 divided by p, it is always 0, but there is no 1 here. So I added 1 and I subtracted 1. So this is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. Negative remainder -1. Positive remainder 16. Now please write down this conclusion. Remainder 1, p minus 1 factorial divided by p, it is always p minus 1 if p is a prime number. P minus 1 factorial when divided by p, it is always p minus 1 if p is a prime number. Directly the answer will be p minus 1 factorial divided by p. The answer will be p minus 1 when p is a prime number. Shiva, what is your doubt? Please mention it. So 16 factorial is 17 minus 1 factorial. P minus 1 factorial plus 1 when divided by p, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So these 0, 0 minus 1 is -1. Negative remainder is -1. Positive remainder will be 0. Positive remainder will be 17 minus 1, 16. These entire value it is 0. 0 minus 1 -1. I hope it is clear. When there is a difference of 1, answer is always p minus 1. Answer is always p minus 1. Few examples. Please write down few examples. First one, reminder 1, 22 factorial by 23. 22 factorial by 23. These are nothing but remainder of 23 minus 1 factorial plus 1 minus 1 by 23. Again it is minus 1. So 23 minus 1 is 22. Directly you can write this as the answer. Remainder 1, 36 factorial by 37. P minus 1 factorial divided by P. It is P minus 1. Again the answer is 36. Remainder 1, 40 factorial by 41. P minus 1 factorial by P. It is 40. I hope the concept 1 is clear to you. Idea is clear? Please reply. Is it clear? Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Any doubts in this one? Write P minus 1 factorial by P. P minus 1 factorial when you divide by P. Remainder is P minus 1. Next, all the variations which we will do. Answer for this question is 22. Already we discussed. I hope the proof is also clear. Next one, 15 factorial by 17. First I will tell you the mistake students might do. I told you yesterday, in reminders we have discussed so many models. Reminder 1, 7 is divided by 2. Reminder 1. If 18 is divided by 4, 14 is divided by 4, these are nothing but remainder is 2. Please see here. Here numerator and denominator are co-prime to each other. 7 and 2 are co-prime to each other. 14 comma 4 are not co-prime to each other. Please don't multiply and divide by 16 in the numerator and denominator and try to solve the question. This is a wrong way to do the question. By multiplying with numerator and denominator 16, you are making this question numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. Wilson's theorem is used when numerator and denominator are co-prime to each other. Don't multiply and divide with 16. If you multiply and divide with 16, HCF of numerator and denominator will be 16. But right, it has to be co-prime to each other. Then how to solve this problem? Again two methods. Method 1, backtracking method. Method 1, which is backtracking method. Method 1 is backtracking and method 2 is conclusion. Method 1 is backtracking method. Let us see what is this backtracking method. We already know that 16 factorial divided by 17, it is 16. Already we did it in Euler theorem, Fermat's theorem, so many backtracking problems. Students who are listening to me for the first time, after the class is over, go back and see all the YouTube live classes, LCM, HCF, base system, reminders. Only LCM, HCF I took close to 10 hours of class. Only base system I took close to 4.5 hours of class. All shortcuts are there. Please go back and refer it. 16 factorial divided by 17. It is 16. 16 factorial is 16 into 15 factorial. divided by 17, it is 16. Till here clear? 16 divided by 17, 16 divided by 17, remainder is 16. We discussed in negative remainder this concept. 15 factorial by 17, we don't know the remainder. But when I divide, I will get the remainder 16. I will get the remainder 16. I will get the remainder 16. 16x, when you divide by 17, quotient is k, remainder is 16. I hope it is clear. We discussed this in a negative remainder. 16x is nothing but divisor into quotient plus a remainder. This is divisible by 16, this is divisible by 16. So k value will be 0. 0 into anything plus 16. Answer is 16. Any student who got a doubt why I wrote like this, please go back and see reminders session 1. I clearly explained the negative remainder concept using congruence modulo theorem. 16 divided by 17 is 16. 15 factorial divided by 17. We don't know the remainder, it is x. When I further divide, remainder does not change. Or just, 16x equivalent to 16. K is 0, x is 1. X is 1. Answer, we require x. X is 1. I hope the idea is clear. Answer is 16 in the right hand side. This 16 in right hand side. 16x equivalent to 16. 16x equivalent to 16. Answer is 1. You don't need to do all this. Backtracking method is a time consuming method. It takes little more time. It is a time consuming method. Method 2, direct answer I will tell you. Direct answer I will tell you. Answer in the right hand side is 16. 16x equivalent to 16x is 1. Method 1, I hope it is clear. Method 2, please write down. Method 2, direct answer, how to write it. Method 2, remainder when p minus 2 factorial divided by p. P minus 2 factorial, when you divide by p, remainder is 1. P minus 2 factorial, when you divide by p, remainder is 1. So p is a prime number here. Directly by using this conclusion, you will get the answer fast. Remainder 1, 15 factorial is 17 minus 2 factorial divided by 17. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. Directly you can write p minus 2 factorial when you divide by p, remainder is 1. Similarly, one more example. 21 factorial divided by 23. P minus 2 factorial divided by p, remainder is 1. Remainder 1. 71 factorial divided by 73. P minus 2 factorial divided by p, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. P minus 2 factorial. P minus 2 factorial. When you divide by p, remainder will be 1. P minus 2 factorial. When you divide by p, remainder is 1. When p is a prime number. Please make a note of it. P minus 2 factorial when you divide by p, remainder is 1. First previous problem is p minus 1 factorial divided by p. P minus 1 factorial divided by p. Now it is p minus 2 factorial divided by p. Right? I hope the idea is clear. P minus 2 factorial divided by p. 28th question. 28th question. Now see. P minus 2 factorial divided by p. Answer is 1. P minus 2 factorial divided by p. 17 factorial is 19 minus 2 factorial divided by 19. Again here the answer is 1. Directly you can say the answer. Directly you can say the answer. I hope the approach is clear. P minus 2 factorial when you divide by p. 29th, I hope it is clear. 30th, another model. Now sir, 30th, please take this question. 32nd, wantedly I am solving 32nd, 32nd and 33rd and 30, 31, 32, 33. All are important questions. Now see here. 8 factorial whole square divided by 17. How to solve this question? Now see here, method to solve this question. We just now discussed remainder 1, p minus 2 factorial. When you divide by p, the remainder is 1. So if it is 17, 17 minus 2 is 15 factorial. Divided by 17, it is 1. There is a reason why I jumped to 32nd question. 15 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into and so on up to 8. Next is 9 into 10 into 11 and so on up to 15. When you divide by 17, it is 1. When you divide by 17, remainder is 1. Now see here. 1 into 2 into and so on up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on up to 15. A small tweak in the question, you will get the answer. 1 into 2 till 8, it is 8 factorial. 8 factorial. 9 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. Negative remainder minus 1. 17 ones are 17 minus 7. 15 divided by 17 minus 2. When I further divide by 17, remainder is 1. When I further divide by 17, remainder is 1. Now see here. 2 contains negative, 3 contains negative, 8 contains negative. 8 to 2, there are 7 numbers are there. 7 numbers, if it is negative, it will be negative minus 8 factorial whole square divided by 17, it is 1. 1 if it comes to the right hand side, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 means positive remainder will be 16. Positive remainder will be 16. Instead of giving you the question directly on p minus 2 factorial by p, he can change the question like this. He can change the question like this. P minus 2 factorial when divided by p, remainder is 1. 15 factorial divided by 17, it is 1. 15 factorial is 1 into 2 till 8, 9, 10, 11 till 15. From here to here, it is 8 factorial. 9 by 17 minus 8, 10 by 17 minus 7, 11 by 17 minus 6, 15 by 17 minus 2. There are 7 negatives are there. 7 negatives if you multiply, I will get a negative minus out. 8 factorial by 17. If I multiply with minus on both the sides, right hand side will be minus 1. Positive remainder will be 17 minus 1. It is 16. I hope this 30-second problem is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Interested students, those interested students, you can WhatsApp our official number to get the course at 30% discount today also. Interested students, you can WhatsApp. Interested students, you can WhatsApp. I hope the idea is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. How p minus 2 1 factorial divided by p1 can help us solving this question. Is this clear to you? Everybody kindly reply if it is clear to you. Right? Everybody kindly reply. Any doubts, please ask me. Any doubts, please ask me. I hope it is clear. Next one. 33rd question. 35 factorial whole square divided by 71. 35 factorial whole square divided by 71. Let us use the same method. Let us use the same method. Cherry, I will again explain this question so that it will be clear to you. Reminder 1. P minus 2 factorial divided by P, it is 1. So this will become 71 minus 2, 69 factorial divided by 71, it is 1. 69 is nothing but 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 35. Next it is 36 and so on up to 69 divided by 71, it is 1. 1 into 2 till 35, which is 35 factorial. 35 factorial. 36 divided by 71 minus 35. 37 divided by 71 minus 34. 69 divided by 71 minus 2. When I further divide by 71, it is 1. 2 to 35. 34 numbers are there. 34, if I complete multiply negatives, I will get positive. So this is 35 whole factorial whole square divided by 71. Answer is nothing but 1. Answer is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear, right? You know that in every class of mine, I start from basics, then an intermediate level, then an intermediate level, then an advanced level. This is how I take up the class, starting from basics to the advanced level. Starting from basics till the advanced level. Advanced level is that level where you can solve some of the conceptual questions very, very quickly, right? P minus 2 factorial when divided by P, it is 1. I hope the idea is clear. One more question based upon this model. One more question based upon this model. Try to solve it on your own. 41 factorial whole square divided by 83. So these is nothing but reminder 1. P minus 2 factorial divided by P, it is 1. P minus 2 factorial divided by P, it is 1. So it is 83 minus 2. 81 factorial divided by 83, it is 1. 81 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 till 41. Next is 42, 43 till 81 divided by 83. It is nothing but 1. 1 into 2 into 3 till 41. These are nothing but 41 factorial. 42 by 43, which is minus 41. 43 by 83 minus 40. 81 by 83 minus 2. When I further divide by 83, remainder does not change. 2 to 41. Total there are 40 negatives are there. 40 negatives, if I multiplied, I will get positive. So 41 factorial whole square divided by 83, it is 1. I hope the idea is clear. I think it should be extremely clear to you. Not a single doubt you will get in my class. Again, one more session is there, which is an advanced level of prime numbers. That too at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, session number 3 on prime numbers, it is there. Session number 3. 1 into 2 into 3 till 41. 42 to 81. This is nothing but 41 factorial. This is minus 41 minus 40 minus 2. 2 to 41. There are 40 negatives are there. If I multiplied, it is 41 factorial. If you observe, sometimes I am getting 1. Sometimes I am getting 1. Sometimes I am getting 16. Did you observe? Right? 16 means minus 1 I am getting in particular. Minus 1 I am getting. Minus 1 I am getting. These all depends upon the right denominator. 83 is 6 into 14 minus 1. 14 is a composite number. 6 into 12 minus 1. 12 is a composite number. 6 into 3 minus 1. 3 is a prime number. The difference is because of that multiple of 6. Because of that multiple of 6. Write down one more question. Reminder 1. 23 factorial divided by 17. 23 factorial divided by 17. 23 factorial is 23 into 22 into and so on up to 17 and so on up to 1 divided by 17. Any number multiplied by 17, when you divide by 17, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. 23 factorial contains 17. 23 factorial contains 17. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Saddam, I told you at least 6 times. When I am discussing reminders, you are asking calendar problems. Right? If I see you impatient once again, I have no other option. I have no other option but to block you. Sometimes unknowingly, because of your immaturity, you are creating a distraction to the class. I know that maybe you are like a childlike person who is writing with an interest to know, to learn. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? Now, another model. Please write down. Another model. I hope this concept is clear. Why I discussed 32, 33. Another model. 8 factorial divided by 11. 8 factorial divided by 11. Concept. Concept. First write down this. Remainder 1. P minus 2 factorial. Method 1 and method 2 is conclusion. Method 1 and method 2. P minus 2 factorial. When divided by P, it is 1. So this is nothing but 11 minus 2 is 9 factorial. When divided by 11, it is 1. 9 factorial is 9 into 8 factorial. When divided by 11, it is 1. 9 divided by 11, it is 9. 8 factorial divided by 11, it is x. When you further divide, remainder is 1. When you further divide, remainder is 1. 9x, when you divide by 11, quotient is k, remainder is 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is 9x equivalent to 9k plus 2k plus 1. This is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. This should be divisible by 9. 2k plus 1 is 9. K value is 4. So this will become 9x is 44 plus 1. 45. X value is 5. X value is 5. P minus 2 factorial. When divided by P, remainder is 1. From this, I can do a backtracking. P minus 2 factorial. When you divide by P, remainder is 1. 9 factorial divided by 11, it is 1. 9 factorial is 9 into 8 factorial divided by 11 is 1. 9 by 11 is 9. 8 factorial by 11, I don't know. I will call it as x. 9x when you divide by 11, remainder is 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 9x is 11k plus 1. 9x equivalent to 9k plus 2k plus 1. This is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. This should be divisible by 9. 2k plus 1 is divisible by 9. K value is 4. If k value is 4, 9x equivalent to 44 plus 1, 45, x is 5. This is method 1. Method 1. Now method 2. Please write down method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Concept 1 over concept 2. Method 2. Method 2. What is method 2? Reminder 1. P minus 3 factorial divided by P. It is nothing but P minus 1 by 2. If P is a prime number, if P is a prime number, P minus 3 factorial when divided by P, it is P minus 1 whole divided by 2 when P is a prime number. Now see here. This is nothing but 11 minus 3, 8 factorial divided by 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Direct answer. Direct you will get 11 minus 3, 8 factorial by 11 is P minus 1 by 2. 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. Few more questions which we will solve.